Hello, everybody. We're going to go generate some low-cost solar leads, get low-cost aged solar leads, and join a token lead ID. So you navigate over to Avocadata by DatatoLeads, and you'll notice that you have these bricks right here, which represent different databases. Under our solar lead database, there is currently 223,000 aged solar leads with different types of lead ID and token, credit score, phone number, everything like that. You have the ability to filter any type of range as such. So if you wanted to look for leads just in Arizona, you could go flip the Arizona switch, and just like that, there's 25,000 leads that you can download from Arizona. And as you see, you can just edit the quantity. Now, some people like to use homeowner leads. Rather than getting an aged opted-in lead, they will make a general target, build the list, and start telemarketing. So we want to make sure that every lead has an email, every lead has a cell phone, and that we do not have any apartments. And we want to make sure that we're reaching people above the age of 30, under the age of 60, and maybe we're looking for people that are on the higher end of the income, $80,000. So just like that, we can go off, hit search. The system will mine all the different databases and pieces of information that we have, and it will spit out a result. So right here, we have 5.3 million. It was 50 million originally. So out of 50 million, there's a little over 5 million homeowner leads that are within these age of the owner brackets and that are higher income earning. And now let's say that you didn't want to use this feature. We have a bunch of different lists already made. So if you want to get Alabama, any homeowner in the country, if it's not there, we can make it for you. So that way there isn't any issue. And the final thing I'll say is this is a white label, so you can resell any of these data and leads for profit. So go to DatatoLeads.com or Avocadata and get your inexpensive leads and start making some cash today.